Whitney Westerfield, and it just takes your breath away. I mean, it doesn't even look real. The way that this community has just been gutted. Wow. I think this may be the courthouse from the back.
I think so.
I'm not super familiar, obviously, with this town in Kentucky, but yeah, you seem to see where the steeple, as we pan by the courthouse where it used to be, it's just like a gaping hole. I mean, it's just. I'm going to replay this here for you in Mayfield, Kentucky, where so much of this devastation occurred. It seems like really our focus and our coverage, or not focus rather, but a lot of the devastation that we're seeing is mainly in Mayfield and Bowling Green, those southern parts of Kentucky. And it is so tragic to see this and just how it's all unfolded over the morning.
Yeah. Okay. And listen to this, because of course we've been talking about that candle factory in Mayfield destroyed. It is feared now that a lot of people who are working in there have died. Remember the numbers we heard from